Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your leader or hero on the Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lords mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, complete through the basic tutorial levels, and after you complete these levels, you will gain access to your kingdom. Now, once you establish your basic infrastructures, you will have at least 2 heroes available within your team. Once you have multiple heroes available, whenever you go on a mission, you will be able to choose which heroes you would like to use in the battle. If you wish to change your currently used hero, just tap on the new hero that you wish to select as the main one, and then you can tap on the deploy button in order to deploy this hero. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your heroes or your leader within the Lords mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.